Dennis. Welcome to the Sandbox. Hey, today we're going to be working on this sweet little project. This is called a single tread tank. I mean, it looks like a tank. It doesn't have to be, but it's made of a single tread that when turned on, spins around. So it goes just like a tank tread. It's pretty sweet the way this spins around and the way this is created. So we made it so that you can loosen this and remove the tread, or tighten it up and run it with the tread on. What's really neat is that you can remove this top piece, loosen it, and then the tread comes off relatively easily. You got to kind of work it through a little bit, okay? And then you've got the two pieces that go together, spin and slide back and forth, so that you can add a tread or revise your tread or put a new one on. It's driven by a gear motor, 9-volt battery, and then a switch, similar to other circuits that we've done in our project. Okay, the gear motor spins the first two wheels, and that's what actually powers the tread to move around. Okay, so what's very important, there's a couple of things that are going to help to make this a successful project for you. First of all, getting this cut and glued perfectly straight is a very important piece of that, a very important detail. Also, when you're adding your wheels, so you have an axle that you're gluing on here, that's going to be very important to get that perpendicular to the craft stick that you're gluing it onto. And it's also very important to get the axles coming off of the gear motor perfectly perpendicular to the stick there, so that when you're looking at both axles, they're parallel to each other. That makes sure that everything goes nice and straight, that your tread is on there and spinning around nice and straight. It doesn't slide off to the side or doesn't go in circles. So all that is explained in the video. Watch those carefully, work together, and try to make sure that you're all following best practices while you're putting together your project. If you like what you did, or if you have some really fun, spectacular failures, I'd love to see those. Or if you design something different up here. So I supply a template to help you design at least this much. If you turn it into a tank like I did, or if you turn it into a race car or a pickup truck or a semi truck or something like that, I'd love to see your creations. If you post something on social media, hashtag it Einstein Sandbox, or also hashtag it what is it, single tread, hashtag single tread. So hey, good luck on your project.